So I'm about to open this lovely Game of Thrones beer that I've been waiting months and months for. Take the Black Stout. I'm very excited. You can't tell. Also might be a bit of a beer fanatic, if you can't tell. Opening it. Might not be able to get it open, to be honest with you. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Nice, frothy. Smells really good. Yeah, it smells really good. It actually has black licorice in it, so I'm not sure how that's gonna play out. I'm not a big fan of the black licorice, but we're gonna give it a shot. It's also 7% proof. It says it right there, I believe. I can't tell. It's really good. It's really strong. It's got a bit of a kick afterwards. Ooh, it just kind of keeps kicking, and I like it. I unfortunately did not get to try the Iron Throne, so I cannot recommend the Iron Throne, but I do recommend take the Black Stout. It is pretty damn delicious, and I'm pretty snobby about beer, although not as snobby as others. Not as snobby. Thank you for going on this journey with me. Well, I tasted Take the Black Stout, and it is amazing. This bottle will not last past tonight, but I recommend it. 2 thumbs up. Can't thumbs up because I'm recording, but no, I can't. You get one thumbs up. I try to get the second one in there. You get my point.